Hi, RBC Comments. This is ABC Media Kit.
Today is November 14. We celebrate Science and Technology Day.
We have amazing experiments
And Creativity Tech Project.
Project is the capillarity. Hello, my name is Anna. This is the project out de Guatemala. Recuerden lo que hace de que se queda con los cubitos más pequeños. The Flip Project is a state of matter. El experimento es de la lámpara de lava y les voy a explicar cómo se hace. Esto es una lámpara de lava que se forma gracias a un casete. Hello, my name is Helen. This is my project. Tomita bailarinas. Good morning. Today we're learning about magnetics. Hello, my name is Luciana. This is my project essay. This is my project game. Supervision and relationship. Es un teleférico. Carro movedizo. Este es mi proyecto, la nanorobótica. En nuestro salón estamos aprendiendo ciencias y tecnología. Fue compuesta a fines. Es de carbonar, papel y bits. Plástico, cement, metal, steel. Carbón, plástico y lámpara. Plastic and tools and decoration. This is my project. Metal, photon is above. My project was plastic.
The materials are paper, glass, and plastic cars, Lego, discard, and foam.
Thank you.
I am Charles Darwin. I am from England. I dedicate my life to study the survival of living things, and I wrote the theory of natural selection. My theory explains how living things adapt to the conditions of the earth. Don't forget to like, share, and stay tuned for more.
Thank you for being part of this celebration.
See you soon!